Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this quick Copilot Studio how-to video, I will show you how to deploy your Copilot Studio agent to Microsoft Teams and the Microsoft 365 chat channel in just a few clicks. If you have already built your agent in Copilot Studio, the next important step is publishing and making it available to end users. That's exactly what we are going to do in this tutorial. So let's get started. This is my demo Copilot Studio agent. Before deploying it to Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot, make sure you publish it first. Click on this Publish button. Then you will see this message. Your agent is being published. This takes a couple of seconds to get it published. My agent got published. Now I'll go to deploy my agent. For that, I'll go to the Channels menu from here. Now, under the Microsoft Channels section, you can see the options for Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Click on that. Next, under Microsoft 365, you'll notice that the option Make Agent Available in Microsoft 365 Copilot is selected by default. If you do not want your agent to be available in Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can simply uncheck this option. For this demo, I'll keep the default setting enabled, as I want the agent to be deployed to both Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Since this agent is already deployed, I'll first undeploy it. By clicking on the Remove Channel button, click on the Disconnect button. So with this, you've also learned how to undeploy an agent from Channels in Copilot Studio. Now you can see the Add Channel button is enabled. So let's click on this Add Channel button. Now, the channel has been added, and you can see the status message here. Now your agent is available in both Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft Teams, and you can open it from either platform. I'll open it from the Microsoft Teams channel by clicking on the See Agent in Teams link. This will automatically open Microsoft Teams. Click on the Open button. Here's my demo agent in Microsoft Teams. Let me click Open. Here you'll see two options, Open and Open with Copilot. This is a new option that wasn't available earlier. I'll click on Open. The agent is now open in Teams. I'll send a quick Hi message to test if it's responding correctly. As you can see, the agent responded successfully. Next, I'll open the same agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat by selecting the See Agent in Microsoft 365 option. Here as well, you can see the same agent with an Open button. I'll click on Open. Now the agent is successfully integrated and available in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Let me test the agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot as well by sending a simple Hi prompt to confirm it's responding correctly. As you can see, the agent responded successfully in Microsoft 365 Copilot as well. So that's all for today. In this quick video, we learned how to deploy a Copilot Studio agent to Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot in just a few clicks. We covered publishing the agent, enabling Microsoft channels, deploying to Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot, and finally testing the agent in both platforms to ensure it works successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical videos on Copilot Studio and the Power Platform. See you in the next video.